Hi, I am Mubashir Nazar. I help companies get clients on LinkedIn. I am also LinkedIn trainer and coach. In this video, I will explore kinds of LinkedIn premium accounts so you can use LinkedIn premium accounts according to your requirement. I am writing an article about LinkedIn accounts type. First of all, you need to understand difference between free and paid account. Free LinkedIn account is a great start if you are beginner. Although it's a completely free, it can come with some limitation. And some limitations are when you are using a free LinkedIn account, you can't send messages to people you are not connected, and you cannot always see who visit your profile, and your search are limited. And a free LinkedIn account is unsuitable for recruiters and business owners because it's a visit profile. You cannot see who view your LinkedIn profile, and search limited. And now you can see that LinkedIn account types and their prices. And now you can see that first one is free LinkedIn free account. It's a basic and you don't need to pay anything if you are using a free LinkedIn account. And second one is LinkedIn premium carrier. Its cost is $29 per month. And LinkedIn premium business $59 per month. LinkedIn Sale Navigator Core, its cost is $99 per month. LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced, its cost is $149 per month. LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced, it's a custom price because you can use 10 people, and if you need team, and then you just need to buy a LinkedIn Sale Navigator team. In this way, 10 people, 7 people, you can customize all the price. And other type is LinkedIn Recruiter Lite. Its cost is $170 per month. And now you can see that LinkedIn Recruiter, its cost is $835 per month. And last one is LinkedIn Learning, its cost is $90 per month. And now I will explore one by one so you totally understand the types of LinkedIn premium account. First one is free LinkedIn premium account, and now it's a totally free and it's ideal for beginner, and if you are businessman and if you are recruiters, and because of limited searches and limited profile views, so you cannot use this. So if you are beginner, so it's a good for you. Number 2 is LinkedIn Premium Carrier, and its cost is $29 per month. A LinkedIn Premium Carrier account is perfect for you if you are looking to stand out from crowd for potential recruiters, or if you want to grow your network by connecting with like-minded people. Number 3 is LinkedIn Premium Business. Its cost is $59 per month. LinkedIn Premium Business is ideal for sales professionals and business owners on the hunt to connect with high quality leads or partners on LinkedIn. Fourth number is LinkedIn Sale Navigator Core, and its cost is $99 per month. LinkedIn Sale Navigator Core account is core to for sales rep to find leads, connect and build healthy relationship from the get-go. It also suits setup business owners with a limited budget but need a premium LinkedIn selling experience. Number 5 is LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced, and its cost is $149 per month. The LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced is just like its name, is an upgraded version of Core Sale Navigator, and it offers additional functions for teams and businesses. Number 6 is LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced. LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced Plus is the ultimate social selling tool LinkedIn offers with enterprise sales teams in mind. For example, if your company uses a CRM and needs data to enable social selling and collaboration on LinkedIn, and then you need LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced. If you want to use LinkedIn Sale Navigator as a team, in simple word, then you just need a LinkedIn Sale Navigator team. The other name of LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced Plus is LinkedIn Sale Navigator Team. And number 7 is LinkedIn Recruiter Lite, and its cost is $170 per month. LinkedIn Recruiter Lite suits recruiter teams, HR professionals, and business owners hiring at a smaller scale, and there is comfortable with a minimum LinkedIn Recruiter feature. Number 8 is LinkedIn Recruiter, and its cost is $835 per month. LinkedIn Recruiter premium accounts are two types: LinkedIn Professional Services and Recruiter Corporate. LinkedIn Recruiter has advanced functions and is ideal for big recruiting firms and staffing teams. It saves time and it promotes collaboration and cut down hiring time with options like message sharing, multiple user dashboard for collaboration, and note taking. Number 9 is LinkedIn Learning, and its cost is $90.99 per month. LinkedIn Learning offers a pool of high value courses, and it provides you more than 21,000 courses and taught by industrial professionals. It focuses on interactive hand-on learning, and it's worth the investment if you are looking to upgrade your team or your skills. And now you can see that here is a quick comparison between LinkedIn premium accounts. And in mails, if you are using a premium account, and now you can see that premium carrier, premium business, you can send 50 credit emails, and in Sale Navigator Core you can send 50 emails per month. And if you are using a Sale Navigator Plus and Recruiter Lite, advanced searches, and now you can see that in premium business will be option of advanced searches, and in Sale Navigator, yes, and in Sale Navigator Advanced Plus has 20 more filters, and in LinkedIn Recruiter Lite 40 more filters. And now you can read all these features and you can suggest according to your requirement, and you can use all these tools according to your requirement. If you are recruiter, then you just need a Recruiter Lite or LinkedIn Recruiter, and if you are business owner, then you just need a LinkedIn Sale Navigator or LinkedIn Sale Navigator team. So different things are available. You can use all these things according to your requirement. You can read all these article on my LinkedIn profile, and I will try my best to put the URL in description if this will be available, because I cannot paste here all the content because it's a bigger. So I will try my best to put the URL of this article, and if I cannot put there, then you can watch and view this article on my LinkedIn profile.